Hi, I'm Bhumika Batra and I welcome you to my channel EdBhoomi. Yes, you heard it right. The channel name is now replaced from Discover Research Gradually to EdBhoomi, which means the ground for education. My new website EdBhoomi will be launching out very soon, which is specially designed for the people who got bored going out in this boiling summers for the tuitions. Keeping in mind the flexibility of the time, dates, and the experts, I am coming up with the digitalized studies where students can be studied anytime, anywhere, be it the late midnights or the wee hours. The subjects which are covered are business studies, economics, and accountancy. Oh, yes, yours and mine, the most favorite subject, research methodology. To register, please check the form posted on all my social networks. Please subscribe to stay up to date. I will be see you very soon in my next video. Bye.